This is a demonstration of DocXpress. In this video, I'm going to show what kind of information you can get from documenting Hive. Hive is just a database for big data. After generating a documentation, you can view all the details of the Hive that were captured in the snapshot. At the high level, it displays the connection string and also gives a summary of what was found. When drilling into the Hive, you're able to see a list of Hive functions and also a list of databases. When selecting the database, it displays the properties, which includes the name and the root location. Drilling further in, you can see a list of tables. It also displays their owner and if it is partitioned. Selecting a specific table will show the properties of the table, a summary of what's found in the table, and also the table definition. From there, users can drill even further into the different columns to see the names and the data types, partition columns, and also the indexes. This is just one of the features of DocXpress.